Hello, in front of me I've got MGZS. In this video, we'll check if this car is worth buying in 2026. The MGZS Hybrid Plus is one of the best value hybrid SUVs available in 2026, combining competitive price with comprehensive equipment levels. Its hybrid system produces around 197 horsepower, making it noticeably quicker than many similar priced rivals. Fuel economy is also strong, especially in city driving, where the electric motor can do much of the work. For buyers seeking maximum equipment and low running costs for money, the ZS Hybrid Plus is a very attractive option. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.